Hey, what's up, Cardano holder? This is live price predication of Cardano. So you can see here the changes of Cardano. Please you click the subscribe button and don't forget to like video. And this is last 1 hour live price predication. You can check here the last 1 hour result. This is you can see here the highest change as $1 $1.12 US, absolutely good result. You can check the change as plus 0.9%. this is the last 1 hour change. You can see here absolutely going good, and I hope this is going easily good. They easily cross it 1 to 2 US, they easily cross 2 US. So let's see here the 2 hour result. Okay, you just click on the subscribe button for latest update. I update you any hours. Okay, so this is the last 2 hour user. You can see here the changes are absolutely same like 1 hour. So let's see that the 4 hour result. Okay, please click on the subscribe button. Oh my goodness, this is very bad. This is very bad change, and the last 12 hour result as very bad. You can see here, but the change of highest is absolutely going good. So today is a good day, but this is last 12 hour result. So what we can say this, because I am also Cardano holder, therefore I am very excited for this news. You can see here minus 2.6% is going down. So this is very bad. So let's see that the last 1 hour result again. I hope the last, oh my goodness, this is very good change. You can see here the last 1 hour result is going off. So this is good. Plus 0.72% is also very good. So I think this is selling time. Just sell it. Okay, please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notification. I update you any hour. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time, new updates. Allah Hafiz, take care.